back on the road again. We had something to eat, got a bite to eat, and I'm not bringing a coffee with me this time, so that's a plus. I decided one day to take a coffee with me. Riding with a coffee by far is pretty sketch. Not gonna lie. Trying to ride with the old cappuccino or mochaccino, because I like my mochas. Mochas are pretty good. It's just nice. Oh yeah. I quite like them. They taste quite good. So this jacket's really warm. Surprisingly, like I thought it'd be a bit chilly. It's not. It's got enough airflow. It's not perforated. Yeah, probably not a wise option to run the red light on this one. Take a dirty picture for me. I noticed my helmet hits on my shoulders, the shoulder pads. My helmet hits on the shoulder pads when you head check, yeah. Typical problem. I smell dog shit. He's probably like, them motherfucking bikers, man. And he's like the typical bogan Aussie, like really baggy shirt, skinny as a rake, man, gripping onto the steering wheel and shit, like typical bogan Aussie. And driving a Falcon. The more and more you ride bikes, and especially your bike, you tend to sort of know how quick you're going just by the RPMs of the bike and how much it vibrates between your legs. Gotta love that second gear. There's a pole there, mate. How you going? Holy shit, that dog almost shat its pants. Or shat itself. I should do a Walterific, you know, just posing. Just you know how Walterific pulls up his bike at like a public location, just sits a camera like over there where the Baker's Delight thing or the push bike is. It just does a prop and has people walk past and stuff. Yeah. He actually does a lot, man. He films like most of those intros and outros for each segment, each video and shit. It's just like insane. It took me a while to realise that. I thought he played the same repeat. Yeah.
5, 10, 20, 30, 50, that's all denominations.
Buy a $5 one off you.
Or just make it a $5 one. There's a light horse.
Not a problem, I'll get one of those. There you go, bro.
Appreciate that.
Thanks for that.
Thank you very much.
Anzac, yeah. You're gonna make another sale.
I didn't even realise that. Yeah, I've never even noticed it.
I didn't even know either until they're packing up. He goes, it's harder packing up, and I realised what he was packing up. And I go like, I'll buy one of those.
I should have noticed with the Anzac badge on your friggin' because I saw you walk past and never even thought of it. You get some interesting footage on your GoPro?
Yeah. See ya, mate. Have a good one. But yeah, I support the Anzacs and stuff, and I was actually sitting there just being silly, just like I should do like a Walterific movie or some shit, you know, Walterific video. And the guy's walking past, and he was a really nice bloke. He walked into a pole at some point. I was chatting to him, and he goes, "Oh, you know, the hardest part is, you know, packing up." And I didn't actually twig on what he was packing up because I was just sitting there minding my own business. And he said, you know, the Anzac thing, and I'm like, yeah, I'll buy one. So I was chatting to him, said I'll buy one, and I support the Anzacs. If I ever see an Anzac badge or anything around Anzac Day and stuff, I'll buy one.